had enough of hauling that heavy hose around, sick of the kinks, tangles and leaks, you'll eventually end up throwing it away. Well, get ready for the amazing metal hose that's stronger, lighter and more durable than any ordinary hose. Introducing the Flex Steel Hose from JML, the only garden hose you'll ever need. Flex Steel Hose is made from a flexible steel that's heavy duty and extremely durable, and so lightweight even a child can manage it with ease. Sharp thorns can't even pierce the Flex Steel Hose. Heavy duty garden shears easily slice through this hose like butter, but the Flex Steel Hose sturdy Flex Steel design stays intact. Sharp metal and exposed nails can pierce ordinary hoses, but the Flex Steel Hose deflects and resists the most extreme tests.
We even hit the Flex Steel Hose with an industrial grinder. Not even a chainsaw could hurt this hose.
It's the tough garden hose that's built to last.
And it still works fine.
The secret is the super strong Flex Steel protective casing that flexes like rubber but is virtually indestructible. It's tangle-proof and weatherproof, repelling harsh UV rays season after season. This lightweight hose easily follows you over the toughest terrain and holds heavy-duty pressure to propel water up and over this house. When you're done, just coil it back up. It's kink-free. No rips, no tears, no tangles. Heavy-duty garden hoses can still kink, tangle and leak. So stop hauling around that tangled green monster. Get the one metal hose that's lifetime tough with the Flex Steel Hose from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.